Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead over at Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you the Freedom Express Blast toy hauler. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so when you come right in the door, you can see you have a couch. So this couch actually goes into bed mode, and then from bed mode it goes up against the wall. So that way you have a way to haul your toys and all your space, but you also have a bed and you also have a couch. This table is free floating too, so you just pack it up when you're traveling and you can set it up wherever you want, outside, inside, move it around. You can see you have the refrigerator over here. You have a whole kitchen over here. It's got laminate countertops. It's a under-mounted sink. It's two sinks, so it's got the split in the middle. You have a microwave below and a cooktop above it. Your bed is over here. And then if you go into the bathroom, you can see you have a nice enough room. It is a walk-in shower, or I guess a step-in shower. You also have some storage above the counters. Goes very deep, surprisingly a lot of room inside. You have a Jensen TV, and there's this little controller right here and a little place to set up your devices if you need to plug in your device into this 110 spot. And then you can plug it in through the HDMI right into this Jensen controller, and it'll hook it up right to your TV for you. Another feature about this rig is on the exterior, it is built with a material called Asdel, and what that is that's the replacement of wood. What they usually do with these rigs is they glue the fiberglass against wood, but with this one they glue the fiberglass against a composite material called Asdel. And Asdel prevents delamination, rot, decay, mold, mildew. All that stuff is impossible to happen on this rig. So it's a great rig to take out in the weather. You're not really going to experience any weather damages that you normally would. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions on this rig or any of my other products, you can just call me 541-735-1535. And I'd be happy to answer any questions.